Welcome, we've got a lot for you today, including why Windsurf lost access to Claude, ChatGPT's new features, WWDC 2025, new cybersecurity rules, and much more. Let's dive in. The Claude cutoff. During an interview at TC Sessions, AI 2025, Anthropic co-founder and chief science officer Jared Kaplan gave a straightforward reason for cutting Windsurf's access to Claude. "I think it would be odd for us to be selling Claude to OpenAI," he said, referring to rumors that OpenAI, Anthropic's biggest rival, is acquiring the AI coding assistant. "Sounds like a solid reason to us." Déjà Vu Data. Chinese lab DeepSeek released an updated version of its R1 reasoning model last week, showing strong performance on math and coding benchmarks. But now, some AI researchers are speculating that parts of its training data may have originated from Google's Gemini models. WWDC 2025 preview. Apple's annual developer conference kicks off Monday. Expect a redesigned operating system, updates across Mac, Watch, and TV, plus a new dedicated gaming app. ChatGPT goes corporate. ChatGPT is rolling out new features for business users, including integrations with Dropbox, SharePoint, OneDrive, and Google Drive. That means ChatGPT can now search across your organization's files to help answer questions more effectively. Photoshop comes to Android. Creative types, rejoice. Photoshop is finally coming to Android, bringing features like layering, masking, and advanced editing tools to mobile users on Google's platform. Legal AI warning. The High Court of England and Wales has issued a strong warning to lawyers: don't rely on ChatGPT or other AI tools for legal research without verification. Judge Victoria Sharp noted that AI can generate convincing but false information, and recent cases have shown that unverified citations can lead to serious consequences, including contempt of court or police referrals. Musk versus Trump. Tensions exploded online Thursday as Elon Musk and President Trump exchanged jabs on their respective social platforms. While it might seem like just another billionaire brawl, the clash between the world's richest man and a sitting U.S. president could have real implications for the tech and media landscape. Cyber policy rollback. President Trump has signed an executive order reversing several cybersecurity policies from the Biden and Obama eras. The order eliminates support for digital IDs, AI-driven cyber defenses, and quantum encryption, calling them distracting and burdensome. Sanctions for cyber attacks will now apply only to foreign actors. The White House says the new direction prioritizes real threats over political agendas. Chatbots want your time. Whether you use AI as a friend, therapist, or girlfriend, chatbots are designed to keep you talking. As big tech intensifies its fight for user attention, the stakes have never been higher to attract and retain users on their chatbot platforms. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. See you next time.